Welcome to ServiceNet, a complete platform for running a field service business. Over the next few minutes, we'll take a full tour, managing customers, scheduling jobs, dispatching technicians, billing, inventory, and reporting. Let's see how it all fits together, from the first call to the final invoice. Everything starts at the dashboard. Your command center. It's a live snapshot of the whole operation. Today's revenue, active accounts, and open jobs. You can watch work move through each stage and spot exceptions like cancellations or low stock before they turn into problems. The Accounts module is your customer database. Every client lives here along with all of their service locations. Search instantly, add a new account in seconds, and edit contact details or addresses. For customers with several buildings, each site is tracked separately under one parent account. Customers don't have to call. Through the online portal, they choose the service they need and submit a request themselves. It arrives in your queue with all the details attached, and with one click, your team turns that request into a fully scheduled appointment. Scheduling happens on a visual calendar you can view by month or week, book a job, then assign the right technicians to it. ServiceNet shows each technician's live availability and current workload so you always know who's free and never double book your team. Service Ops is where the day is run. Dispatch technicians to their jobs, track everything that's active in real time, and see status at a glance. As work finishes, jobs move into review and wrap up, so nothing slips through the cracks between assignment and completion. Out in the field, technicians work entirely from their phone. They open the app to see the jobs assigned to them, get the address and job details, fill out the service report on site, and wrap up when they're done, keeping the office updated in real time. Quality matters, so ServiceNet includes a dedicated assurance module. Completed work is reviewed and signed off, any issues are logged and tracked to resolution, and everything is recorded. It gives you a clear audit trail that each job met your standards before it's closed and billed. Once work is done, ServiceNet closes the loop on money. Completed jobs flow into billing, ready to post as invoices. From there, you record payments received, track outstanding receivables, review the full ledger, and make adjustments. So your books always reflect the work in the field. The inventory module keeps your parts under control. Receive incoming stock, monitor quantities across locations, and set reorder points. Every part a technician uses on a job is deducted automatically, so your counts stay accurate without anyone updating a spreadsheet by hand. Behind the scenes, the service catalog defines what you sell. Set up your services and the parts they use, manage pricing and promotions, and keep a directory of vendors. This catalog powers accurate quotes and invoices across every job in the system. Communication runs automatically. ServiceNet sends notifications for appointment confirmations, reminders, and status updates, keeping both customers and staff in the loop. Every message is recorded in a log, and you can fine-tune exactly which alerts go out under preferences. The Reports module turns activity into insight. Financial summaries, technician productivity, and service and parts trends. Every report follows the same simple layout, filters to the period you need, and exports straight to Excel with a single click for deeper analysis. Finally, configuration is where administrators shape the system. Define your sites, create roles, and set detailed permissions that control exactly what each user can see and do. Manage user accounts and page access so the whole team works within the right boundaries. That's ServiceNet. Customers, scheduling, fieldwork, quality, billing, inventory, and reporting, all in one connected platform. From the first call to the final invoice, everything lives in one place. Try the live demo or browse the full user manual using the links on screen. Thanks for watching.